Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Crowdfire for social media management, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Crowdfire for social media management, first, visit the Crowdfire. Next, click on the sign up button located in the top right corner of the homepage. You can choose to sign up using an email address, or you may use your existing social media account for faster access. If you opt for email registration, fill out the required fields with your details and create a secure password. After registration, confirm your email address by checking your inbox for a message from Crowdfire. Once confirmed, log into your Crowdfire account using your chosen credentials. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted by the Crowdfire dashboard, which shows an overview of your linked social media accounts. To connect your social media accounts, locate the Accounts tab on the left sidebar of the dashboard. Click on the Link Accounts button to begin the connection process. Select the social media platforms you wish to manage, such as Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Follow the prompts for each platform to authorize Crowdfire to access your accounts. Make sure to allow all necessary permissions for optimal functionality. Once connected, your social media accounts will be displayed on your dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the various features available in Crowdfire. Explore the options for scheduling posts, analyzing performance, and discovering relevant content. To create your first post, click on the Compose button located at the top of the dashboard. Enter your content, and choose the social media platforms you want to share it on. Set a date and time for your post to be published, or opt to share it immediately. After composing, click the Schedule button to finalize your post. Monitor your account insights by navigating to the Analytics section on the left sidebar. Here, you can track engagement metrics, audience growth, and overall performance. Utilize the Content Recommendations tool by clicking on Content to discover articles and visuals relevant to your audience. Engage with your audience by replying to comments and messages through the integrated inbox feature. Regularly check your analytics to adjust your strategy and improve your social media presence. With practice, you'll become more efficient in managing multiple accounts through Crowdfire. Enjoy exploring all the features Crowdfire offers and enhance your social media management skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.